guys, and welcome to Book 101 Review. Book 101 is all about the books that I read for the last 40 years, and today we're gonna talk about The Social Animal, The Hidden Sources of Love, Character, and Achievement by David Brooks. David Brooks is a conservative political and cultural commentator who writes for the New York Times. He has worked as a film critic for the Washington Times, a reporter and later op-ed editor of the Wall Street Journal, a senior editor of the Weekly Standard from its inception, and contributing editor at Newsweek, The Atlantic Monthly, in addition to working as a commentator on NPR and the PBS NewsHour. Brooks was born in Toronto, Ontario, when his father was working as a PhD at the University of Toronto. He spent his early years in Stuyvesant townhousing development in New York City with his brother Daniel. His father taught English literature at New York University, while his mother studied 19th century British history at Columbia University. Brooks was raised Jewish but rarely attended synagogue in his later adult life. As a young adult child, Brooks attended the Grace Church School, an independent Episcopal primary school in the East Village. When he was 12, his family moved to the Philadelphia Main Line, the affluent suburbs of Philadelphia. He graduated from Ranor High School in 1979. In 1983, Brooks graduated from University of Chicago with a degree in history. His senior thesis was on popular science writer Robert Awdry. The Social Animal, The Hidden Sources of Love, Character, and Achievement is a non-fiction book by American journalist David Brooks, who is otherwise best known for his career at the New York Times. Books discuss what drives individual behavior, decision-making. Brooks goes through various academic topics such as sociology, psychology, and biology, and attempts to summarize various discoveries such as brain development in early life. The book continually refers of two fictional characters, Harold and Erica, used by Brooks as an example of how people emotional personality changes over time. The book has been commercial success, at least initially. Its debut at number 1 on the New York Times bestseller list. It reached at number 3 spot on the Publisher Weekly bestseller list for nonfiction as of April 3. The book has received wide variety of reviews. Criticism come from Forbes.com, Salon.com, New York Times Book Review, while praise come from the Washington Times, Newsweek, the Kirkus Reviews. The book is also a favorite of the former British Prime Minister and Conservative Party leader, David Cameron. The Social Animal, The Hidden Sources of Love, Character, and Achievement by David Brooks is highly recommended to read. Do like it, share it, and definitely 10 plus. Money come people. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.